Hello everyone, welcome to the place of Handsome Mechanic. This is Andre Bones showing you another product that we have that we offer here at the place of Handsome Mechanic. This is a roof restoration, okay, for an Audi Q7. So what we do is we take the whole trim out, okay, and then we put the brand new canvas, put it here, and then I'll show you where it goes. Look at that. And then that roof has been taken out of this one. So if you would see the old one, it's all sagging and collapsed. So we're doing this for about 2 hours. If you take this car into the dealer, you'd be lucky if you will have your car on the same day. But in here, customer dropped the car at 12 o'clock. In about 45 minutes to 1 hour, the car is ready to go. And we provide all workmanship warranty for our job. If they want to contact me, okay, go on Google, search Handsome Mechanic in Mount Druitt, or you can find that at Unit 1, 87, Karajong Avenue, Mount Druitt. My name is Andre Bones, the Handsome Mechanic of Andre Automotive.